This is going to be the video tutorial for section 11 on how to assemble your strips for your braided strap as well as your strap holders. Now I have already gone ahead and done the 2 pieces of strap holder for the braided strap, and it's the same as the instructions you did for your side straps of your bag. It's also listed on page 52 of the pattern. So I'm just going to set those up here aside. Now you should have 5 strips that are 1 inch by 27 inches for your braided strap. You have edge painted the one side all the way down, but you have not edge painted this side. What you are going to do is you're going to draw a line from the unpainted side up 5/8 of an inch, which I've already done. You're going to run it parallel to the 27 inch all the way down here, and you are going to now take some double-sided tape. You will not be stitching through this, so it doesn't matter what kind of DST tape you use. It can be a very strong one. The braid will hold everything in place. You're going to place that double-sided tape. Now I'm using 1/4 of an inch. You can actually use 1/8 of an inch if you require, if you want to. That's strictly up to you, but I prefer the 1/4 of an inch for this portion of the strap. And then you're going to snip off the excess. Press that well so that it's nice and bonded. Now you're going to peel back the paper off the double-sided tape, and you're going to fold the unpainted edge to that line, right up to the line. You're going to continue all the way down, and again, I start at the center all the time because it makes it easier to get a nice even fold up, pushing that edge part inwards as opposed to pulling on it, so you don't have any extra hanging over the side. But in this case it really doesn't matter because you are going to be trimming off some of that extra once it's braided anyway. Folding it all the way up to that line. You can take a poly roller at this point and you can roll it. This piece has been skived so it's nice and thin. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add another piece, a secondary piece of double-sided tape. You're going to add this just about 1/8 of an inch away from that edge. So if you begin down at the end, and you can see I'm just about 1/8 of an inch away from that edge, which is your painted edge. You want to go all the way down once again, the full length of the piece. Now I'm only going to show you this one piece. I've already done the other 4 and I've set them aside. That way the video is shorter and you don't have to, it's all the same assembly, so it really is, it's just repetitive. All the way down, snip off, press. Now I'm going to flip this piece around because I work better from this side. Peel the paper off the tape and start in the center. Now you want to make sure that when you place this edge, you want to place it about 1/8 of an inch in from that folded edge, or I should say 1/16 of an inch. I'm going to bring this closer to see if you can see. It's just shy of that folded edge right there. You want to go ahead all the way down now, doing the same thing. Sorry, I think I hit the camera with my head trying to get above this to see what I'm doing. And it does stick to your fingers quite well. Right down to the very end. Pressing it. Now we're going to go back and do this side over here. Remember, this is the painted edge that I'm folding up. There. Now the reason you want to have that edge a little shy from this folded edge is because you want that smooth feel. You want that painted edge to be further in so that it doesn't affect the braiding at all. Okay, so that's how you prepare the strips for your braided strap. You're going to have 5 of these, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a video on braiding, which is really fun, and I'm sure that you'll be able to follow it very well. And then from there we're going to continue with the strap holder onto the braided strap.